Hello from the Travel Tracker. This video is for drivers who drive in districts that are utilizing the Travel Tracker's Driver Declined and Driver Accept buttons. If you have been assigned to a trip, you will receive an email notifying you of that assignment. When you open the email, you can read the information and the details about the trip, and then if you scroll down, you will be offered two buttons. One button to decline the assignment and another button to accept the assignment. If you are needing to decline this assignment, you're not available, you need to click the button that says click to decline assignment. This will open a new window giving you the trip number, your email, and then a space to type in the reason you need to decline the trip, that you are not available. Maybe you have a doctor's appointment that day. Click the button that says Submit to Decline, and you'll receive a message that the assignment has been declined by you. If you would like to accept an assignment, click on the button that says Click to Accept Assignment, and you will receive a message that the assignment has been accepted. If you would rather, you can log in to the Travel Tracker and come to your Driver tab. When you click on the Driver tab, it will default you to your assignments. Notice you have the option to decline or accept from the Travel Tracker. Look at the top line here. You can see the trip information, date and time, type of trip, the vehicle that has been assigned, and then buttons for you to either accept or decline this trip. If you need to decline, again, you can click on the Decline button and then provide your reason for declining and say OK. If you're going to accept it, click on the Accept button, and that information will be recorded in the Travel Tracker. You can see a confirmation here, self-accepted, and then your transportation department will know that you have accepted the trip. If you decline it, here is an example of one that you have declined, and it is in red, self-declined. So you can notify and let your transportation department know whether you are or are not available for trips using the Decline and Accept buttons available in the email or from the Travel Tracker under your Driver tab. I hope this is helpful.